Hope everyone had a good Memorial Day weekend. I had on my calendar a car show that was going on this weekend. Come to find out, it's an every month thing, and I also think the location would be really awesome if we can get a bunch of bikers there and start going on these Saturday mornings. It'd be a good place to meet up, even if we wanted to break up in separate groups and go different ways. It could be fun. Cool.
Looks like they're going to the same place. Yeah, maybe not.
Okay, I'll be honest. I really don't know what was going through my head on if he was going to the same place or not. That road actually loops around.
None of these roads are going to be really good. Shit.
So when I get there, this guy comes up and says, "Hey, you can come park with us over here in the grass." I'm like, okay. So I went and did that. Come to find out he's the owner of Montana Media, who was sponsoring this. And so I asked him to do a quick plug.
We have a monthly car show here at Fulton at the Auto Museum. It is the fourth Saturday of every month. Starts at 8 a.m. Cars, trucks, and motorcycles are welcome.
Try to catch me howling at the moon. When it rains, it pours.
I did end up having to make a last-minute turn on the way home. You can't go home the same way you get there, even if it's just a quick ride.
There's my guy.
So guys, I will tell you, I showed up late to this event, and a lot of people were out there earlier before I got theirs. And in speaking with Caleb, he said, they usually have 50, 60 folks out there or something, and so hopefully we can get some more people. So if you're in the Central Missouri area, go on Facebook events, look up Revved and Roasted. It's at the Fulton Auto World Museum. Let's try to get some people out there, get some other riders out, see if we can go. Talk to you soon.